The weightlifting revolution, the ultimate path to muscular strength, joint health, and athletic performance. When it comes to maintaining muscle and strength, protecting your joints, defying the aging process, sculpting a chiseled physique, and enhancing athletic performance, there's one form of exercise that stands head and shoulders above the rest: weightlifting. The benefits of incorporating weights into your fitness routine extend far beyond just aesthetics. We'll delve into why workout exercises using weights are the best way to achieve these goals. Building and maintaining muscle and strength. Weightlifting is the gold standard for building and preserving muscle mass and strength. It stimulates muscle fibers more effectively than body weight exercises or aerobic workouts. Lifting weights results in increased muscle size and strength. This process, known as muscle hypertrophy, is essential for a lean, toned physique. Progressive resistance training, where you gradually increase the weight you lift, is key to continual muscle growth. It challenges your muscles to adapt and get stronger over time. Whether you're a novice or an experienced lifter, weightlifting can be tailored to your specific goals, making it the most effective way to achieve your desired results. Protecting the joints. Weightlifting, when performed with proper technique, can promote joint health and reduce the risk of injury. Contrary to the misconception that lifting heavy weights may damage your joints, it actually strengthens the ligaments and tendons around them, making them more stable. Strong muscles also help to support and protect your joints, reducing the risk of conditions like arthritis and osteoporosis. Fighting the aging process. As we age, muscle mass tends to decrease, and this can lead to a variety of health issues, including decreased metabolism, increased body fat, and decreased bone density. Weightlifting can help reverse these age-related changes. It not only builds and maintains muscle, but also stimulates bone density growth, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Additionally, resistance training can improve balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and fractures in older adults. Achieving great muscle tone. One of the key benefits of weightlifting is the ability to sculpt a well-defined, toned physique. Unlike cardiocentric exercises, which may lead to muscle loss while reducing body fat, weightlifting allows you to maintain and even increase muscle mass while losing fat. This results in a lean and sculpted appearance with enhanced muscle definition. Whether your goal is to create an enviable six-pack, defined arms, or a shapely lower body, weightlifting is the ultimate tool. Boosting energy levels. Regular weightlifting can significantly improve your energy levels throughout the day. It enhances circulation and boosts the production of endorphins, leading to increased alertness and reduced feelings of fatigue. Weightlifting also revs up your metabolism, leading to better energy expenditure and an improved capacity for daily activities. Those who lift weights regularly often report heightened productivity and focus in their daily lives. Enhancing athletic performance. Weightlifting is not just for bodybuilders. It benefits athletes in various sports. The increased muscle strength and power gained from weightlifting translate into improved athletic performance. Sprinters, jumpers, football players, and athletes in many other sports can experience enhanced speed, agility, and explosiveness. Properly designed weightlifting routines can be tailored to specific sports and movements, targeting the muscles and movements required for peak performance. Incorporating weightlifting into your fitness routine offers a plethora of advantages that extend beyond merely aesthetics. From building and maintaining muscle to protecting your joints, defying the aging process, and enhancing athletic performance, weightlifting is the ultimate tool to achieve your fitness goals. So whether you're a seasoned lifter or just starting out, it's time to embrace the weightlifting revolution and reap the countless benefits it has to offer. Your muscles, joints, energy levels, and athletic performance will thank you.